Alright, so now we're on page 11, the top page 11, solving algebraic equations involving fractions. So at the top, it has x plus 1 over 10 equals 3 over 10. So again, we have to ask ourselves the question, what is being done to x, our variable? What's being done to x here? Carlos? What's being done to x here? What? Adding 1/10. So what's the opposite? Adding 1/10? Subtract 1/10. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. Look, they even have a common denominator. That's the bottom number in case you forgot. They have a common denominator, so we don't need to do any adjusting. X equals 3/10 minus 2/10 is, sorry, 3/10 minus 1/10 is, what? 2/10. Is 2/10 all the way simplified?
No.
What is it? What is it when you simplify it all the way? Not 2/5. You set it up, it doesn't make you numbers. Yeah? Yeah, 1/5. So you divide by 2 over 2. That's how you reduce fractions. 2 over 2, you get 1 over 5. That's your answer. And then we'll do one more here. Midway through page 11, 3y equals 2/3. 3y equals 2/3. So Noah, what do we do for that? How do we get y by itself? Okay, divide by 3. Now we have y by itself. Can you do 2/3 divided by 3? No, so what do you have to do? Huh? 3 is on the bottom. How do you divide a fraction by a number?
Oh.
Yeah?
So you put 3 times 3 and then you put 9/3.
You put 3 times 3 and equals 9?
I don't know how to string it.
Okay. Yeah? Yeah, so instead, anytime you see a fraction and a number, immediately you should not be saying, hey, let me divide by it this way. You should be thinking, hey, I'm divided by 3. Well, I'm divided by 3 over 1 instead of dividing by a fraction, because 3 over 1 is still a fraction. It's a whole number, but you can still make it into a fraction. Instead of dividing by a fraction, you multiply by the, everyone? Reciprocal. Multiply by 1 over 3. Is there anything we can cancel out?
No.
No. So we multiply straight across and we get
1.
2 over
3.
2 over 3. Multiply. If you were adding them, then you would just add up the top and keep the bottom. But you're multiplying means you multiply everything. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So 2 9s is what you get for that one. Make sure you're paying attention to that, because yes, I can guarantee that kind of thing is going to happen on your guided practice and the assignment as well. You can work on guided practice 18 to 20. And if you get done with them, as always with guided practice, you can check your answer in the back of the book. If you check your answers and get it right, let me know. I'll start you on the assignment early.